What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Show and Tell. Let's get it started. The weather is nice and bugs are a buzzing. So we all want to keep a clean home. Some of us are hiring cleaning people to come help us out. But regardless, we're still constantly fighting bugs all year round, especially this time of year. We got fruit flies, gnats, and house flies just bothering us. So when it comes to solving this problem in the home, we want a chemical-free solution, right? No sprays, no chemicals, no odors. So this is a no-mess solution. This is the Flying Insect Trap by Zevo. This is the starter kit. All right, so the starter kit right here, this is the Model 3. It's gonna give you one plug-in base and one trap cartridge, which looks like this. So it's using like a sticky side on the front side there, and so you just peel that off when you're getting started. And all you have to do is plug it in. There's no on and off switch, there's no app, there's like literally nothing to it, just plug and play, like literally. So this is gonna be using a UV light. It's a blue light, UV light. It's gonna attract the bugs, right? You plug it in, they come, check out the light, and then they get stuck. They get literally stuck to this sticky slider. So the light, it is a bit bright. It's pretty bright, so I use it in the living room, not so much the bedroom, because I like it dark when I sleep. So if you have, the gnat problem in your bedroom, just keep that in mind that this is pretty bright and it might make going to bed a little bit more difficult. So this worked for me. It worked really well. I've been testing it for about 2 weeks before I brought it here. I'm a pretty clean guy, but you could always be cleaner, right? Now I'm even more clean because I don't have any bugs flying around. So after 2 weeks, I was able to gunk this up pretty well. I mean, you got gnats, flies, full size fly in there, all sorts of fruit flies and gnats. It's pretty nasty. So once you get one like this and it's all filled up, right, you just chuck it. And then now you need to replace it with one of the refills right here. So the refill, it's a 2-pack, so it's about $7, $6.99 for the refill. And then for the plug-in base with one insert, it's $20. You can get all of this at zevoinsect.com. It's a great indoor solution. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Take care.